Step Up wants students to have measurable results in their math learning. We do this through assessments. Students will take an initial assessment during their second session to assess grade level readiness and unit readiness. After onboarding, you will receive an email with the link to the initial assessment. It will take you here. Please read the instructions and fill out the form. Choose your 2T's grade level and put your Step Up email address here. Click on Take Me to the Assessment. You then will grab the link at the top, copy it, and drop it into the Zoom chat. Ask your 2T to share their screen with you after they click on the link. Once the students have shared their screen, tell students, today you will be answering some math questions. You will know the answers to some questions and some you might not know, and that's okay. But it's important to do your best because these questions will tell Step Up what you already know how to do and what you still need help on, so we can find the right math lessons for you. If you get stuck on a question, come back and try again later. Also, please instruct your students to have a pencil and paper and ask them if they have any questions before getting started. Here's an important note about assessments. Because students will get a learning pathway based on the results of the initial assessment, please do not help them with the math or give them hints. However, you can encourage them to show their work using a pencil and paper. Remind them that they can skip questions and come back to them later. Offer to read the sentences for those who need more support with reading. Students must finish the initial assessment in one tutoring session. If they cannot, it is likely that they will need more support on that math level anyway. Have the student go through the test. At the end of the test, have them push the Submit button. After they push the Submit button, you will receive an email with your student's learning pathway. Here is a sample email you might receive. It will tell you based on the student's assessment and the correct answers they got in each section that they need to work on certain concepts. It will give you a link and you will click on it. It will ask you to make a copy. Go ahead and do so. It will take you to a document that has a list of lessons in the order that you need to do them with your 2T. This is called a learning pathway. This concludes the section on the initial assessment and how to get a learning pathway. Please answer the required question below in the module.